To draw a caricature of Johnny Depp, first, gather reference images to study his distinct features, such as his eyes, nose, mouth, and facial structure. Sketch a light outline of a face, keeping proportions in mind. Emphasize Johnny Depp's unique features by exaggerating them in your drawing. For example, you might make his eyes larger, his nose more pointed, or his mouth wider. Use reference images to ensure accuracy while maintaining the caricature style. Finally, add details like hair, clothing, and accessories to complete it, and finally, it is done. Watch full video and don't forget to comment how it is. You can visit my YouTube channel and watch more and more video.